Another one. Another fucking one. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for very brand new. It's very cheap, economical, doesn't cost you anything at all, no cost whatsoever. Just drop a subscribe, please. Where do we begin? Manchester United won, and we need to win this game because if we lose it, the Champions League is over for this year. Going back, probably even go to the Europa League. So listen, win this game, breathe a little bit. Next round, 2 weeks from now, go again. What the fuck did we just see? Regrettable first half. That first half was shit and a stick, fam. That fucking first half was shit and a goddamn stick. Anthony, why the fuck are you playing football, fam? You need to be an accountant or a pimp. Yeah, you're like, deal with women, go a pimp, Harry. What the hell? Why are you playing football? Why? You're supposed to hold the flank, go down and beat my. What were you doing today? And Rashford, the same. What are you doing? What first half? The entire team was shit in the first half. Every single one of them, from top to bottom, complete garbage. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. Copenhagen held on to the ball more than we in the first half, Barry. Couldn't hold on to the ball, couldn't make 2-3 passes within the lines. What were you doing in the first half, Ten Hag? What kind of team was that? You put McTominay in the game, go up front, get long ball, play some football, Barry. Get some footballers in the team. Yeah? What the fuck did we just see? Erik Ten Hag made changes at the right time. That first change he made, bringing Eriksen for Amrabat, genius play. We saw that McTominay come back in at the midfield, little bit of mobility, little bit of strength, and gave the ball to Eriksen constantly. They keep feeding Eriksen the ball, and he started creating. He started seeing Bruno more, because now Bruno is not hiding from the ball anymore. It's not being the register in the back. No, he's moving forward and making passes. That's what you want to see from Bruno. Bruno's not playing in the back trying to play his long ball anymore. He's getting the ball between the lines, turning and making passes. That is what you want from Bruno Fernandes. Eriksen was brilliant at that and he came on in the first half. If he got man of the match, why? Because he started stringing passes left, right, and center. He was the one that passed the ball for Mcguire. Yeah? Eriksen was the integral substitution in the second half that made the game what it turned out to be. Because that first half. Oh my fucking god, that first half. What the fuck did we just see? Mcguire, fam. Mcguire. I gave up on Harr-Iet a long time ago. I blame Harr-Iet for our transfer market looking the way it did this season. But Mcguire, you held your own, fam. I blame you and Gareth Southgate when you get called up for England. But Mcguire, you held your own. Mcguire, you held your own. I will still call you Mcguire, regardless of what happened. But today, you saved Manchester United. And you saved me because my godmother dropped out of the Champions League to Pussy-Clad. Oh! Whew! I throw you no. I throw you no blood. God, no. Harr-Iet Mcguire. Well fucking done. Wonderful header. Wonderful fucking header. You are at the right time, at the right place at the right time. And defensively, you are there again. Defensive headers, completely dominant. Wonderful headers. Listen, you're doing your thing, fam. You're doing your thing. I don't know. Look, next game against City, what do your thing, fam? Do your bum buckler thing. What the fuck did we just see? In this game, we had loads of chances in the second half. Flushed every single one of them down the drain. Eriksen, keep a good save. All right, I'll give you that. Rashford. Heavy touch. What the fuck was that, fam? Garnacho. Heavy touch. What the fuck was that, fam? Rashford. Valley. Top of the 18-yard box. What the fuck was that, fam? Rashford push the ball on the keeper. What the fuck was that, fam? Guys, we had too much. McTominay. Come on, guys. Come on. We have too much opportunity to end this game. Too much opportunities. We didn't do it. We need to be more clinical in front of the goal. We have Manchester City next to Bumbleclap. We need to be more clinical in front of the goal. We need to be more clinical in front of the fucking goal. And last but not least, what the fuck did we just see? The talk of the town. Andre motherfucking Onana. Andre motherfucking Onana. It's too early to tell. It's too early to talk about being De Gea's replacement. However, that save today make him folklore in my eyes. I don't give a fuck about what nobody else wants to say. That save today, that penalty save today, make a folklore in my eyes forever and ever. Now, what we do from now to the end of the season to next year to after, whatever you do, whatever he does, he will always be the king in my eyes because of that damn save. Andre Onana, well fucking done. Well fucking done. Big up your blood clot self. Big up your bumbo clot self. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Please, just subscribe. Do. It not cost nothing. You reach so long. You watch this. You've been you're at the end of the video right now. Call me right now. We're about to give you the credits. Just drop a like on the video and subscribe right down there. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the fourth official. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.